In this video, I will explain how to connect a Leica Disto S910 in Wi-Fi with the Leica Distoplan app to an Android phone or tablet. First of all, switch on your Disto S910, press Function and then Settings. Activate the Wi-Fi. When Wi-Fi is enabled, a black symbol will be shown on the top left on the Disto screen. Then check if the Wi-Fi connection on your tablet is also enabled. Now open the Distoplan app and select My Devices from the side menu. Your Disto is now available for connection. Tap Add to connect both devices. Select Wi-Fi and choose your Disto S910 network. Once connected, the Wi-Fi symbol on the top left of the Disto screen will become blue. Tap Info to access many useful information, including the Disto manual and video tutorials. When the Disto is turned off, it will be automatically disconnected. Once you have added your device, it will remain in your device list. If you experience troubles connecting again, tap on Forget Device on the info page. This will allow you to add your device again. Watch also other how-to videos about our Leica Distoplan app.